Looky, what are you doing? You fixing Daddy's tummy? Did you ask him, does he want a beer?
No, thank you.
I think Daddy had too many beers, did he, Luke?
Daddy said I want beer.
Just the one beer.
Just the one beer, that's all I had, honest. Only one beer. Oh.
Lucky, are you fixing Daddy's tummy? Lucky, you better put your mask on. Wear your mask to protect your eyes. Where are they? Are they over there?
Yeah. Daddy.
Just gotta get your goggles.
Yeah.
Are you feeling fixed, Daddy?
That's on me.
Help you?
Daddy.
Just a minute, Daddy.
Okay.
Does that make you feel much better, Daddy?
Oh, really? Is that deal better?
Here's your goggles. Here's your light. Here you go. You need all this to help Daddy get better?
Yeah.
There's your light and your screwdriver for Daddy's tummy.
Okay. The daddy tummy.
For Daddy's tummy. Are you putting your goggles on?
Not the top. Daddy, open up.
Can you see? He's right in there. What's in there, look? Oh! he's stunned. Look, you putting your goggles on?
No, Daddy, let's put the goggles on.
Was Daddy to put the goggles on?
Daddy, goggles.
There. Oh, no. You too. You do.
Daddy, goggles on. Goggles. Goggles on.
Put those on, you put your goggles on.
Yeah. The goggles on. That's all better.
It's all better. Oh, dear. Let's see, Richie.
That? Okay.
Daddy's out till 7 o'clock this morning. And so he has a sore tummy, doesn't he, look? Oh, but did you do?